Uh-oh. I guess after the heat, this is the second storm. Yeah, I guess can do something. Ah, I've been working in the kitchen a lot, learning all about conservation of food, making marmalade, jams, chutneys, and even liquor. Maybe a nice liquor for the winter, you know. And then really too many guests, which is of course a very good thing. So you don't get to do a lot of other things besides working a little bit in the garden in the morning. So, oh yeah, there's another one that is like doing very, very lazy. Cosa fai? Dormi? Mangi? Poi nient'altro. Eh, that one is not. No. Oh, porca Madonna. Eh? Che vita. Oh, they should make a movie about La Vita e Bella and have a couple of cats in it. They have the best type of life, you know. They find themselves somebody, goes to the store, buy food, cleans up after them, tells them 1,000 times that they are pretty. Huh? Yeah, I don't know here. Pretty ingenious system, really. Tom, thank you. Sometimes you have guests who are capable of doing things and also willing to do something. I can hang that ceiling fan. Oh, nice upgrade. Oh, so the last one of the new ones, huh? Oh, what a difference. And also some extra hooks. Yes. Have to give it a good cleanup after the last visit. it's like a battle between humans and insects. Now I love figs, so I'm taking a little bit of extra time out of my schedule this year to experiment with all types of conserving food. The figs, I want to try to dry them because I love them when they're dry, and I buy them in the supermarket from time to time. But how nice would it be if I can have my own? Now, I understand that I have to leave them about 14 days, maybe less, depending on how much sun, but here there is like a few hours of sunlight every time. So if anybody has any experience in drying figs and how to conserve them afterwards, let me know in the comments. Of course, I can make some jam, which is really good too. Probably will. So far, it does feel like a bit of a battle between insects and humans, and I just have to claim my piece of the harvest, or so it feels. Oh, that's for the animals. Oh, another one squashed. I love it. So this is my attempt to making some kind of liquor. It's not as strong as liquor. It's probably gonna be more like a Romanian type of liquor wine. It's called Ficinata, and that one is with plums. Wow. And then we have the first jams, chutneys. I have to liberate the space a little bit because I think there are gonna be a lot more. Right. I was going to say, thanks for watching this video. And you know, having the doors and the windows in, it also means that I can restart working and finishing this apartment, because I don't disturb anybody if I'm in here and everything is closed. And that was the whole idea, really. Just took some time to get those doors and windows delivered. Ah, good thing, good thing. Yeah. Well, so let's see what happens in the upcoming weeks. I have a good feeling about it. But there are a lot of details, you know. I have to clean the beams, paint them, because I want the iron to be exposed, clean those, There are some things to do here. It's like a gap. I gotta figure out some way to close that one too. And then we have to finish these pieces, probably maybe in a week or so. Do all the walls, plaster the walls, tile a piece of them because this is going to be the kitchen area. I'm not sure about the height yet, probably about 150. We'll see. Anyway.